Hello guys, today we will explore prototype design pattern, which is also line creational design patterns. Prototype pattern refers to creating duplicate object while keeping performance in mind. We will be using prototype interface, which will have clone function to duplicate current objects, and we use this design pattern when object creation is time consuming or complex. Let's explore this design pattern further by using graphical representation. Here I have an interface IP is a prototype. It will have only one function in which I will implement clone functionality. And pizza class will implement this interface. First time I will create object 1 from pizza class. Now if I want to create object 2, I will not create it from pizza class directly, but I will clone it from object 1. Now one thing I need to mention here is that you can clone your object by using shallow copy or deep copy, it's all up to you. Now let's see a practical example. First I'm going to create pizza prototype. It could be abstract class or interface. Here I'm using interface. In this I will have only one function whose name is clone, and its type will be iPizza prototype cause it will return itself. Now I am going to implement it on pizza class. Let's implement this interface. Now in this clone function we can use both shallow copy or deep copy. But here I am going to use shallow copy to create my object, and I am going to return this dot memberwise clone. This is a built-in function which will clone current object of pizza class. Now we will see how we can use this class in main function. I am going to create object 1 directly from pizza class. Now if I need object 2, then I will not create object 2 from pizza class directly, but I will clone it from object 1. Now I am going to console.write line hash codes of both the objects just to check that both the objects are different or same. It should be different because we are cloning object 2. As we can see, both the hash codes are different, which means that object 2 is cloned from object 1, but object 2 is not referencing to object 1. So this was our prototype design pattern. I hope you understand it. If you have any question or query, you can ask in comments. Thanks for watching.